From two kitty whisperers speaking at a law conference to students serving aboard the Orion spacecraft as virtual crew members, it was an eventful year for Grow a Generation. Here's a selection of 2014 highlights. Fifth grader and animal advocate Veronica was nominated by the ASPCA for the Humane Kid of the Year Award.
Figure it out, Owen. I love hamsters. I've had them now for 5 years, and if you've ever looked at a hamster and had one crawl in your hands and touch his nose to your nose, you know how cute they are.
Recognizing her for her collaboration in writing hamster fun facts and this year's cruelty-free 101 workshops. Gavin, another fifth grade author, had a successful book signing at the National Aviary and is hard at work on his next children's book, The Little Blue Penguins of North Sydney Harbor. With some incredible collaborators, the scientists actually working in Australia to help these unusual little birds. YouTube celebrities fifth grade Miriam and Jaden, who call themselves the Kitty Whisperers, premiered their documentary of the colony cats of Washington County at the Companion Animals and Law Conference at the Duquesne Law School in November.
Mr. Pickles is 15 and he would like a friend in a loving home. He is great with other cats.
Eli, another fifth grader, had his documentary film, The Butterfly Girl, selected to be featured in Sam Glicksman's upcoming book on iPads in the classroom. The summer was spent with an extraordinary young intern, Storm C., who helped create and record the Scratch Animator Black Belt series.
Welcome, Padawan, to the Scratch Animator Green Belt Training.
Students who complete the whole series don't simply learn to code and learn some rudimentary concepts of photography, image manipulation, and animation, but they also create a meaningful addition to historical archives for a local museum or historical society. Work began with B, another intern, who will return next summer to complete work on upcoming Weebly and WordPress course to help kids create a web presence of meaningful projects. I was thrilled to see the number of Grow a Gen labs increase to 18. And humbled that Baden Academy contracted Grow a Generation to continue their Research Fellows program and add some interesting technology and coding opportunities for all their students. Another high point included blasting off into space with the virtual crew members from Baden Academy and Grow a Generation's NASA Design Challenge teams. We each felt like part of the Orion space launch mission as our names joined 1.3 million others etched into an 8mm square silicon wafer placed on board. Our virtual selves blasted off on December 5th. Sam, a summer Grow a Gen research fellow, made phenomenally quick progress with the MIT App Inventor software. He inspired me to try the software with some of the elementary-aged research fellows this fall.
I made the Doodle app where you can draw. And then shake it and then erase.
Catapults and motors, find your passion scavenger hunts, and an exceptional Grow a Generation engineering Saturday about heart valves filled our weekends and fueled our imaginations. A special thanks to Jacob, the 8th grader who shared his personal experiences with echocardiograms, as well as a fascinating interview he held with Dr. Sapanta at the CMU's Biomedical Engineering Lab. Thank you again to the Tech Shop for the wonderful donation of the Make Soldering set for our Tesla Day competition. They helped the Grow a Generation Scratch Contest competition grow. The Rhythm Wheel competition had some great new entries. First grade Gianna recorded her winter recital piece, Star Wars, and she programmed this fantastic TIE fighter animation to accompany her talent. It's a first grader programming. So impressed. Finally, I'm thrilled to announce that we're ready to grow. Encourage adventurous project-based STEM educators to apply today to be part of the Grow a Generation team. Thank you. Thank you so much for making this such a wonderful year. And now inspire another young person to make a meaningful project happen.